Welcome to Tailored Dreamz Academy, where creativity meets technology. Today, we're learning how to navigate Canva, a simple but powerful design platform for beginners. When you open canva.com and log in, you'll see your home dashboard. At the top is the search bar, and below it are ready-made templates for everything, from social media posts to presentations and videos. On the left side, you'll find your recent designs, projects, and brand kit. This is where all your saved work lives. At the top right, you'll find the Create a Design button, along with options to share or use Canva's new AI features. Now click Create a Design and select Instagram Post. Welcome to the Canva editor. On the left, you have templates, elements, text, uploads, and apps. In the middle is your design canvas. This is where you drag, resize, and arrange everything. At the top, you'll see the toolbar for colors, fonts, and alignment. Everything you need is right here, simple and visual. Canva also includes AI tools like Magic Write and text to image. You can instantly create images or text by typing what you want. For example, type, create a minimalist logo for a craft channel, and Canva will generate options for you. When you're done designing, click Share on the top right to download or share your project. Canva automatically saves your work in the cloud. And that's how you navigate Canva, a creative world that's easy to use and full of possibilities. Thank you for watching Tailored Dreamz Academy. Subscribe for more Canva, AI, and crafting tutorials, where imagination meets innovation.